What is up guys? Today we're in Costa Rica and we are doing Diamante Ultimate Experience Day. Diamante Eco Park is rated #1 on TripAdvisor and it offers perfect combination of the adventure, nature and culture. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything we did during our visit. For us, it was just a short ride on the bus from the Rio Palace Hotel and the trip was well worth it. On the arrival, you first sign the terms and conditions, basically signing your life. You then be equipped in a harness and have a briefing on what to do on the zip lines. A quick ride up the hill and there's the Superman zipline. If you'd like to watch a whole video about that, just click on the link in the top right corner. This zipline was one of the scariest things I did in my life, and for those 90 seconds, I felt like I was flying. There were a couple of people in our group that decided not to do it, and they both regretted not doing it afterwards, so if you go there, don't be scared and just do it. They use top-of-the-line safety equipment, so you really have nothing to worry about. In total, there was 5 zip lines, and you are giving specific instructions before each one, so listen carefully, or you might get stuck like this person, but don't worry too much, someone will come and get you at some point. Now, if you think the zip lines are scary, this is where it gets even better. A 30 feet freefall. We didn't know about it, and we were not prepared.
Yes, under the bar, you're gonna turn around facing me.
Were you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Yes, he was serious.
Ready?
Yeah?
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! After a lovely fall down to what it felt like death, there is yet another zipline. A baby one, to a hanging bridge above the crocodiles. Now let's play a little game. How many crocodiles can you spot down there? On the day I've only seen one of them, but now I noticed there's 3 of them. Next up is the butterfly garden. It was absolutely amazing. These butterflies were everywhere, so we had to be careful not to step on any of them. Some of them would even sit on us.
This is one of the cocoons of the blue morpho butterfly, but look at it. It's a little piece of life inside. Hello.
Oh my god.
After the butterfly garden, we moved to a small room with scorpions and other insects from the jungle. Here you can see us using special flashlights with the UV light that makes the scorpions illuminate so you can see them better. Next on the list was the animal sanctuary and the sloths. Diamante has 2 of them. I know you can't see much on the footage here, however, we were very satisfied to see them in the sanctuary instead of abusing the ones living in the wild. Please do your research. It is actually illegal to interact with 3-toed sloths as they are critically endangered species. Locals will often offer to show you them in the forest, however, these animals are terrified of people. After looking at some of the rescued animals, we went to check out the toucans. Meet Bob and Dylan. They love sparkling things, so it didn't take him long to take interest in my bracelet. After taking about 100 pictures with the toucans, we went to see Costa Rica's jungle cats. The sun on that day was particularly harsh, so I didn't manage to get any good shots of the cats. Also, at that point, we were about 4 hours into the day and the heat was just extreme, so we were pleased to find out that the break for lunch was next. We were served local specials and it was a buffet, and I love a buffet, so I decided to have a bit of everything. After lunch we went on to ATVs, but first... Yep, that was the level of humor in our group. I was very excited for this ride, however, I was left slightly disappointed with the slow pace of the ride. In my opinion, there was plenty of opportunities to feel the wind in your hair, however, the instructor setting the tempo seemed to miss all of them. I guess we at least got to focus more on the beautiful views. We finished our ride at the beach where we refreshed with some ice-cold water and had a chance to snorkel or just lay down and relax on the hammocks. I obviously convinced Monica to snorkel. Well, that didn't last long though. Because they didn't make size small enough for Monica's feet, we managed to lose one of them and quickly went back to chill on the hammocks with the rest of the group. The day doesn't even end here. After all this, we went to make some chocolate and I did a whole video about that, so make sure to check that out. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.